said, well, let's get started. Welcome to episode 2. Sorry, god damn it. Welcome back to episode 3 of the workshop. For me, art is a progression. Shit, let's do that again. Let's do the whole fucking thing. I am inspired by space because of the So in the meantime, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on how to continue to utilize... God damn it. I don't know what I'm saying. But there are some mixed media elements that we're going to talk about. God damn it. Let's do it all over again. So my plan is just to let go and see what comes into play. God damn it. Hey guys. Welcome to episode 8. What the fuck am I doing? God damn it. Let's do it. Hey everyone, welcome to episode... What episode are we on? But we're going to be incorporating acrylics today. So we're going to go back to that. So our project for today, we are going to make 2 planets on top. So our project for today, we're going to make 2 planets. Majority of the... But I do also plan out my pieces as well. So let's just do it one more time. Welcome back to episode 8. Fun fact, fuck is my favorite word. It's also my favorite action, but that's for a different episode.